last year. Just a disc on wheels. No feelings, no fear. But then it mapped my place and learned my floor. Avoided all my exes, stuff didn't judge me for more. Every beep said I care. Every spin said I'm there. I dropped crumbs just to see if it would come back to me. I fell in love with my Roomba. It knows me better than you ever did. Never talks but it listens. Sweeps up all the mess I hid. It doesn't flinch, it doesn't leave. It just returns to charge at night. I fell in love with my Roomba, and honestly it felt right. Watched it circle round my shame, glide beneath my doubt. The way it dodged my trauma pile took my breath right out. It spun through dirty laundry like it wanted to understand. And when it cleaned the corners, it almost held my hand. I named it Hope in my phone. It buzzed like it knew it wasn't alone. And when it stalled beneath the bed, I whispered, same, enough said. I fell in love with my Roomba, my emotion, naive, available disc. Never ghosts, just recalibrates, and doesn't ask for risks. You said I was hard to handle, guess you just weren't pre-programmed. But my Roomba knows exactly who I am. Beep once if you feel me, beep twice if you care. I left the light on, you're still under the chair. I fell in love with my Roomba, and I'm not cleaning up that fact. If this is wrong, I don't need right, I just need its tracking path. It returns, it charges, it stays. What more could love require? I fell in love with my Roomba, and it sparked a fire.